everybody, it's me, Scout, and here in this video we're going to make a special video for one subscriber. Yes, one subscriber. I know you guys will be like, lame. As you can see, Jeffrey's dancing. But in this video, it's a special for thanks for one subscriber, guys. In this video, we're just going to do a little special Nerf war action going on here. And yeah, say hi to Jeffrey. Make sure you subscribe to his channel in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Nerf Buster in 3, 2, 1. Down below, it's a little quick Nerf war, and yeah, peace.